Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel N-Gurukul. Today we are going to talk about wheezing lung sounds, what causes them and how to recognize them. Wheezing is a high-pitched whistling sound that is often heard during breathing. It is usually caused by the narrowing of the airway such as in asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, that's a COPD. Wheezing can also be caused by other factors such as allergies, infections, or a foreign object in the airway. To recognize wheezing, you need to listen for a high-pitched whistling sound during breathing. Wheezing can be heard during both inhaling and exhaling, but it is often louder during exhaling. If you or someone you know is experiencing wheezing, it's important to seek medical attention to determine the underlying causes. There are several ways to treat wheezing depending on the underlying causes. For example, asthma. Asthma can be treated with inhalers, while allergies can be treated with antihistamines. In several cases, hospitalization may be necessary. To prevent wheezing, it's important to avoid triggers that can cause the airway to narrow. These triggers can include smoke, pollution, and allergens such as pollen or the dust. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle by exercising regularly and avoiding smoking can also help to prevent wheezing. So in conclusion, wheezing is the high-pitched whistling sound that is often caused by the narrowing of the airways. It can be a symptom of several underlying conditions such as asthma, COPD, or the allergies. If you or someone you know is experiencing wheezing, seek medical attention to determine the underlying causes and to appropriate treatment. Remember to also take steps to prevent wheezing by avoiding triggers and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Make sure to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.